Relation between division and multiplication. Division is the inverse of multiplication. Example: there are 6 balls kept in each of the 2 rows. To find the total number of balls, we multiply. That is, 2 times 6 equals 12. Let us now say that there are 12 balls placed in 2 rows, such that there are equal number of balls in each row. To find the number of balls in each row, we divide 12 by 2. That is, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12 is known as the multiplication fact, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6 is known as the division fact. Remember, for every multiplication fact, there are 2 division facts. For example, for the multiplication fact 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 division facts are 12 divided by 2 equals 6 and 12 divided by 6 equals 2.